How long does it take to analyze handwriting for a forgery case? I get this question all the time because everyone has a legal case. They got sued. They've got somebody that just passed away. There's a will. The answer is it takes as long as it takes to get the evidence and to form the opinion. Now, the actual part of my work, which is looking at the writing and looking at documents and doing the analysis, that could be 3, 4, 5, 10 hours of labor, of man hours, looking through a microscope, right? However, most of our cases take about 7 to 10 days from the moment the client gets us the documents because it takes time to assemble them into the format that we need for me to spend my hours. For most cases, the turnaround time is a couple of weeks. We've had cases that on books for 3 or 4 months because the documents aren't available. We have to schedule, we have to go somewhere and look at it with a microscope. Getting the documents is the time-consuming part. When you call one of our experts at our website, you will ask them, hey, what's your caseload? Can you get to me in the next 4 weeks? Because if you can give them 4 weeks or 6 weeks, you may get a break on price. But if you call our office and say, hey, Bart, I need you to drop everything, work on the weekend, and get me a report on Monday, that's going to be 3 times the price. So the answer is, how urgent is it? How fast do you need it? And how busy is the handwriting expert that you hire? If you hire someone busy, that's probably good because they're professional, they're in demand, they're going to be more expensive, they're going to give you higher quality work, but you may have to wait in the queue so they can get to your case. So I would consider a reasonable time for a forensic document examiner to do a proper forensic analysis is 2 to 4 weeks. And if you don't have that much time, you're going to pay extra. They can get to it. But if you can't get them the high quality documents very quickly, it's going to delay the case. Hope that answers your question. If you need any more advice, visit handwritingexperts.com or this social media channel, and one of our experts will answer your questions and hopefully help you solve your forensic document examination case. Whether it's a forgery, whether it's authentic, we'll tell you and we'll testify in court to help you out.